Hey guys, Jeff from Wisconsin. Hey, we have gas hooked up today. All you gotta do is make the final connection. Just wanted to bring you guys an update. So they gotta make that connection there. They brought it in all the way from the street. And then front stoop, that's all poured. So we got that all done. And it's wet here, muddy, icky. We start putting all the stuff on here, the siding and trim. And yes, this is the third bay, which is going to be the mechanic welding shop area. Drywall's all done in here. But here's the shop. This is all the contractor stuff in here. But the shop gets no insulation, no drywall. That's gonna have to be done by us, and I'm gonna have to come up with some big old bucks to get this done. So anyways, but the electric company, I'm not walking under that ladder. I got enough bad luck. All right, so the electric company came too, and they ran their line into the meter in the back. Let's go take a walk. Man, this is just one big mess here. We're supposed to get a snow rain mix. This is going to be even more slop. And there's the meter. Brand new meter head. We have a total of 400 amps, or actually 340 to the house. 2 breaker panels, one 200 amp to the house and 200 amp to the shop. And we got the siding guys up here. They're finishing up all the siding on the back. See if I can take another walk here. And that's what we got going on. Yep.